Hey Internet, welcome to Thermodynamics tutorial. This is a made-up question not found in your textbooks. So we want to find the total energy inside the room. We've got 50 watts, 120 watts, 400 watts, 1300 watts. Step 1, draw your free body diagram, your FBD. This will help you visualize the problem. Step 2, list the given values and find the unknown. Step 3, find the total energy formula. So we got the change rate is equal to the energy in coming from the outside. So no energy is leaving the room, so that means energy out is 0. Step 4, find the total energy. So that is the energy of the lights, TV, refrigerator, iron. So you just add them all up. You get 1870 watts. So the rate of increase in the energy content of the room becomes where the change in energy of the room over time is equal to the total energy, which is 1870 watts. Note that some appliances like the refrigerator and iron operate intermittently, so they switch on and off as they are controlled by a thermostat, so the rate of energy transfer to the room in general will be a little bit less. Disclaimers, the method is correct, however I do make calculation mistakes. I encourage you to solve it yourself and see if you get the same answer. Before we leave, I highly encourage you to save this video onto your PC just in case this video or channel gets taken down while I follow all copyright laws. Sometimes things just happen. If you're on a Mac, use the snipping tool equivalent. If you never used snipping tool before, follow these instructions. Click on the icon in your taskbar. If it's not in your taskbar, go to your Windows search, type in snipping tool, open the program, click on video option, then click on new. Left click and drag the rectangle to cover the YouTube screen. This is just an example. Hit the start button in snipping tool, wait for the countdown, hit the replay button on YouTube, let the video finish, hit the red square in snipping tool to stop recording, and then save your video. Thanks for watching, hope you had a great day. Be sure to like and subscribe, share with your friends, because this is a made up question, so they probably won't be able to find it. If you got questions, comments, or if you find a mistake in this video, leave it in the comment section. I'll get back to you as soon as possible. If you want to support me, become a member or drop a super thanks. Until next time, see ya.